So, I'm laughing because I'm trying to do this in the car. Uh-oh. Oh, I see. Hold on. Uh, okay. I think I got it. Why am I repeating? What is this crazy thing? Okay. Hopefully that works. See? It is. Oh, oh, I know. There we go. Ah, okay. I think I got it. All right. How you doing, Alyssa?
Good. How about yourself?
Good. Good. I was looking at some of the questions you had.
Yes. I, I
Um,
gave I gave you quite a few.
let's see if I can view it. And now it's kind of shaky. I apologize.
Oh yeah.
I'm moving at the car. All right. Okay. So the first, was there any other pending questions?
I actually do have a couple questions.
Okay, what's up?
Uh, I haven't been very consistent, but remember your cards that you made for the matching game?
Yes.
Um, and I used them to actually do a lesson with Abram,
Yes.
and it really helped to solidify what I did is I took, because the first one that we're learning is the +4,
Right.
right? Okay. And so what I did is I pulled out all the +4s, um,
Oh, okay.
and there's two parts. There's the part where it says +4, and you have a red circle around it.
Yes.
And then the other part of the match is where you have a picture where you illustrate the plus the 5 minus the 1.
Yes.
So what it dawned on me when we were doing that is that first of all, we showed him how to match, that you only have part of the equation. You have the +4, then you need the other half of it, which is the plus the 5 minus 1. So let's say you have the +4, you have 4 plus 4 up there.
Right.
But what I notice is that the +4, the one where it just has the beads on there, that's to help remind them that that's the second add-in that we're doing.
Correct.
And then we would have him do, let's say, 4. We had the 1 plus 4, I believe, was the first one or something like that. And so you don't have enough beads to add the 4.
Right.
So that just kind of helped him remind him that that's the +4. And then we go plus the 5 minus the 1. And he started um, getting that. He actually, I don't know, he must have had an aha moment because he started to realize actually what was happening on the abacus.
Oh, great.
However, um, when we go to the cats in the tree, because we were so caught up in that,
Mm-hmm.
there is a part in the book where you're supposed to color like all the 4 of the cats.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to figure out, um, should I just go with the script on that, or do I just trust the process as I'm going, because I got him so kind of used to the cards that I didn't really talk about the cats in the tree. So how do you incorporate that? Even though I'm using these matching cards as, kind of showing him one part of the equation, and then there's the directions of plus the 5 minus the 1. How do I go back and do that? And I know I haven't been really consistent. I need to be more consistent in doing this a little bit more, but he had an aha moment. He actually started to get a little bit. I'm going to have to go back and review for sure. Because I haven't, we've been kind of on vacation and stuff like that, so I haven't been able to really do some stuff with him. So what
For
are
sure.
your thoughts?
So I would still, sorry, I would still try to get him to understand the cats in the tree. The reason why is because we want him to understand the 5, the concept of 5, because there's two things. Either we memorize the symbols, which is 4 plus 4, or is equal to 8, or 3 plus 3. You know what I mean? So there's a difference between understanding and memorizing.
Yeah.
You could, or you just, yeah. I mean, you could. The cats in the tree is just saying that the number is inside the 5.
Oh, yes, the number is inside the 5. Yes.
Right? That's the only reason why there's the cats in the tree. But if he understands it, actually, you know what? It's fine. If he understands it and he knows to add the 5 and minus the 1, then just have him go with that.
Oh, I can't. Okay.
The cats in the tree was just to help get him to understand to use the 5.
I see.
That was the
I
only,
see.
just like the friendship bracelet. It's just to
Yeah.
help get that concept. But if he has an aha moment, then it's good.
Okay. So when I go to the book and I'm having him.
Oh,
So,
you did.
wasn't right. So when there's a lot of background noise, sorry.
But we don't hear the background noise because Zoom does that for us.
Oh, you don't hear the background noise at all?
No, I did hear Abram did say something.
Yes.
But did she understand?
Yeah. Okay. So I just lost my train of thought. So go back and have him color have them color the cats in the tree anyway.
If you want him to.
Okay.
I don't. I mean, he understands the concept.
Yes.
He sees the beads. So it was only for a bridge.
Okay. Okay. Well, then I will go on and just see how that works, and I'll just kind of review and go to the beginning, and just go through your sheet. Like where do I have it? So I'll just kind of go on to the. I've done the number bonds, so I'll just start at let's add plus 4 friends, and I'll just continue. Now the other let's see, no, that was something else. That's okay. So I will just continue to go on with that, and then the whole goal is for him to finish. So when you're doing the let's add the plus 4 friends, you have him on the one side where it has the questions.
Yes.
Are you doing that? You're doing that exactly with the abacus, and then you are basically coloring in 4 cats
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I will do that with him then.
Yeah. You don't have to have them color in the five cats. Some
Mhm.
kids just didn't understand it, so I had that as a bridge. But then
Okay.
have him fill out the formula. Plus the 4 is equal to plus the 5 minus 1,
Okay.
just to get them understanding. But the questions on the side was more example questions, so he sees the different scenarios.
Oh, okay.
Because
Now,
you, I'm
the
sorry, you'll
way,
notice that there's a 3 plus 4, and then there's a 2 plus 4, and then a 1 plus 4.
yes.
Those are all the different scenarios you need to do plus 4.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so on the second page where it says, let's add a +2 friends, and you have 1 plus 2, on there, that's a simple problem, right?
Yes. I want to show them that not everything needs a formula.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay. So it just does everything on the, just like with the 1 plus 1.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I see that now.
Yeah. Because I wanted to
Okay.
make sure they knew that even if you have it too, it's not all the time.
Mhm. Okay, yeah, yeah, that sounds great. Yeah,
Okay.
I think that's pretty much the questions for the book right now. And he just
Oh,
starts with the abacus, but the questions that I have that I kind of for story problems,
yeah.
those are the ones that I would love to kind of get a better idea and then just be able to know how to go through a problem and then how do you do it what do you, I guess the mainstream math of the problem and then how do you go to the abacus, but actually just do the abacus first, but there's understanding. And then I noticed I wasn't able to join last week because we were on the road traveling,
Yeah.
but that was a fascinating class.
Oh, with Tammy.
Yeah, I
Yes.
really enjoyed that. I I was wondering if we could go through a couple of, maybe like 3 or 4 questions that I have, and then the part that I'm still hung up on is the organization. How do you organize everything when you're doing a multiplication problem, and how do you organize everything when you're doing the the division? Um, so that I can keep track better. Those are the only ones that I have a hookup on, especially when the problem is really big.
If the problem's really big, then it's too big,
Hmm.
right? You have to practice one number at a time.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do
So
you
yeah,
want to do first?
let's do
Multiply,
the. We can do a multiplication. Yes.
or do you, well, because there was 3 things. There was the word problems, multiply, or division.
I wanted to do some of the word problems first,
Okay,
and then
let's do
we'll
that.
do a multiplication and then a division.
Okay. Let's see if I forgot how to. Okay. The question is, if you had $40, I'm trying to figure out. Are you seeing that?
I actually do see it.
I don't know what you're seeing. Let's see what I can see. Okay, good. So the question is, you have $40. $40. You'll put 40 on the abacus. right?
Mhm. Yeah,
Okay, you can see me, right?
I can see the screen. Yep.
But can you see my camera?
I can see your abacus there. Yes.
Okay, good. Well, that works. All right. So we have to use spend. What does that mean?
When you okay, when you spend, that means you're spending a portion of that $40.
It means take away.
Take away, yes.
So if we take away, then it's 40 minus 6.
Mm-hmm.
So 6. And then on our abacus, well, well,
Oh, you froze. You froze. Oh no.
okay. Oh, good. What
Yep, you're
is,
back.
yeah, I'm going through a desert, mountains, hills, and I might lose connection for a little bit.
Okay.
So what is minus 6? Minus 6
Six
is equal to,
minus the 10 plus the 4.
so 4 is the 10, is the 4.
Yep,
Yeah. So then my answer is 34.
34. Yep.
But that's how you would do it in what? Mainstream math too. You just minus the 6. But minus the 6, mainstream would be 40, and then you have to um, what's it, borrow, take
Yep, you have to.
3,
Yep.
and then add the 10.
Yep.
And so then you have to memorize that 10, 6, and 4 is together. So that means this would be 4, and then you bring down the 3,
Oh, okay.
right?
Yep.
Yeah. So mainstream would do this, but for abacus, we just do minus 6 minus 10 plus 4.
Yep, just that formula. Yep, minus you're so I mean you're pretty much doing the same thing. You're taking away the 10 and you're adding the 4.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. But we only need to memorize this. Whereas in mainstream, there's a bunch of math facts that you need to memorize.
That one's a little bit easier because you're subtracting from 40, which is, there's because you know that um it's going to be wait 40 minus 6. I'm not wording it
10,
right.
10.
Yeah, yeah, 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that one's kind of similar. It's a little bit similar to that one, to the abacus, because you still have to minus the 10, just like you have to minus the 4 and change it to a 3. And then you
Yes.
have 4, you're adding 4. So that one's similar because it's just off of, 40. So, but yeah,
Right. It's off the 10.
yeah, it's off the 10.
Right. But in abacus, all we got to do is take away the 10 instead of uh, take away the 3, 10.
Yeah. Yep, that makes
Right?
sense.
Because you have
Mhm.
to, yeah. Okay. So the next one.
Okay.
Thank you so much for understanding.
Yes. Yeah.
think this is gonna be so, I don't know. I don't know what to say.
I'm just amazed that you're able to do this while you're traveling. You know what I mean?
Okay, you have, okay, so you have 40,
Mhm.
right? And then you earn. What does earning mean?
Uh, Adding.
Yes. So you just add the 5.
Yep. That one was easy.
Yeah.
It's my other ones that are a little bit harder.
Okay.
My other story problems I don't know if you've heard of bedtime math.
No, that's the first.
Yeah, because there were those problems I sent too, and those seem to be a little bit more challenging than this one. This is pretty explanatory, especially with the earn and the spend. Spend means take away. Earn means you're increasing
Right.
the amount that you're increasing the number.
So are
So
you talking about the jumping jacks and the sit-ups?
I think so. I just can't remember. I sent it. But I just can't remember what page. I kind of went all over the place.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if that is. I don't know which ones those were because I
Okay.
sent. Yeah. Well, we'll continue and just see. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, because you had them numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so I think they were all the story problems.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, Eden.
So Eden does 35 jumping jacks. So
35.
35.
Yep.
On the abacus, 35. Oh, this is
Yep.
easy,
This is
right?
an easy one too. Yep.
How many exercises does she do?
Oh, and 20 sit-ups.
I'm sorry, 20. Yes. So what do we do?
Oh, that is a +5.
Yeah.
Yep.
So then plus 2 is equal to plus
Plus
5
the 5.
minus 3. Plus the 5 minus 3.
55. Yep.
And then our answer is 55.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Yep. There we go. Yeah, just because the 3 and 2. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it now.
Yep.
Okay. So the other question is Eden. Oh, there you go. There. Eden does 25. I'm sorry, 35 sit-ups. Jumping jacks. And then 20 sit-ups. So what's the question? The question is how many more jumping jacks?
And sit-ups does she do?
Sit-ups? Yeah. So what are we doing?
You're finding the difference.
Yeah. To find the difference, all I gotta do is take away 20. Sorry.
That one's easy too.
I'm not sure. You know what the funny thing is? When people started doing abacus, they're starting to see how easy adding and subtracting is.
Oh, I did it wrong. Oh, fiddlesticks. I'm like, why am I getting 10? Okay, I subtracted the 5 by accident. Okay, so okay. Yeah. So you have 35 and you subtract 20. Yes, then you get 15.
Yep.
15 jumping jacks. Yep.
Yep. So Caden has 13 inches, has a plant that's 13 inches, 1 and 3. Olivia's plant is 17 inches. How much taller is Olivia's plant? So what do we do first?
You're getting the difference against you subtracting. So you want
Right.
to put Olivia's plant first,
Right.
which is 17.
and then take away 13. So on the abacus, 17, take away 1, because that's the 10 from the 13, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then now we take away 3. What is minus 3?
Minus 3 is minus the 5 plus 2.
Yep. It's 5 plus 2. Minus the 5 plus the 2. Oops, sorry. Yep. So our final answer is 4 inches taller.
Yeah.
4 inches.
Great comment.
Yep, 4 inches taller.
But that's a plus 5
It is?
or a minus 5. It's a minus 5 question.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I did it already. Now I'm like, what happened? Okay, so do 17 again.
Yep.
Okay, so we do 17.
17.
And you want to minus 13.
Take away 1.
I took away the 1 and I have
Take away-
7 left. So
Yep.
now I have to take away the 3.
Yep.
So minus the 3 is minus the 5 plus the 2.
Minus the 5 plus the
Or
2.
minus, yeah. Minus the 3 would be minus the 5 plus the 2.
Yes.
So then you
Final
get,
answers. What is your answer?
my answer is 4 inches.
So Olivia's plant is 4 inches tall.
4 inches. Oh, yes, Olivia's plant. That's
Yes.
right. We need to make sure we're answering Olivia's, yeah.
Yep. So the
Olivia's
question,
plant.
yeah, so the answer is a full sentence. Olivia's plant is 4 inches taller than Caden's plant.
Aha. Yes, that's important to put that. Okay.
Yeah. And so with the word problem, make sure Ava writes full sentences and units 4 inches tall.
Cool.
Yep.
Ah, yes.
Have to be careful with the units.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, that's so important. Yeah. You don't want to put just 4 inches tall because it's not identifying the person, that the question is asking.
Correct. Right.
Yes.
So like in mainstream, that was one of the big things to for the word problems is to have complete sentences.
Oh, they mentioned to have complete sentences?
In mainstream, yes.
Okay.
So because you're homeschooling, right?
Yeah. Well, it makes sense to do that too. You know, whether you're mainstream or homeschooling, that way you're you understand the problem. I mean, it's important to put it in complete sentences. That makes sense for that.
Right. It's part of communication.
Yeah, and and it also shows that you understand the problem.
Correct.
Okay. Yep, that makes sense.
So James has a ribbon that's 34 centimeters long. He uses 12 centimeters for a craft project. So what do? How many centimeters are left?
Yep, there's the left means that they're taking away. I wish I knew where I had it. Okay, so I did something where we learned the etymology of what it means to subtract.
Uh-huh.
And what that is you're putting the smaller number underneath so that you're able to get the difference. Next time I'll find it and read it to you, but it's just fascinating. Yeah.
send the link over. That's fantastic. I love reading about etymologies.
Oh, do you? And
Yeah.
they had one about addition too.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. So I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you email wise if you like. But it helps you understand the language in the problem. So how many centimeters are left? The word.
Well, it's a little bit other than that. He uses 12.
Oh, uses. Yes, because you're using part of the 34.
Exactly.
Yep, so you know 34.
So you're reading the question, not necessarily the statement, not the question.
Yes. So you
So
have
on the abacus.
Morning, ladies.
Good morning, Tammy.
hello.
So this is Alyssa.
Hey, Alyssa. I
Hi.
don't know what was going on with my tablet and the link. Good gracious. But I'm here.
Yeah, I sent you an email because TikTok doesn't do links in the chat.
Well, I figured out when I went through the link, I found the numbers. And I went, okay, I'm put that number in. Then I put the one in with all the letters. And I went, okay. And it was just my tablet didn't want to let me in. I don't know.
I apologize if I sound weird. I'm on the road. I'm
Okay.
heading out to go fishing.
Whoo!
But I have a little bit of delay, and so I hear myself. Okay,
Oh, that's gonna be
so
fun.
the question is 34, take away 12. So on the abacus, if you can see it, I take away the 1, and I take away the 2.
Yeah, that was pretty easy. That's a simple problem.
Yes, because it's just, yeah, all right.
That one was pretty easy. Yep.
Yeah, I went through it already, but I did it a couple of weeks ago. So I kind of forgot the questions.
hmm Yeah.
Okay. This should be good. 34. 4 gold coins in one sock and 7 in the other. How many altogether?
So you're adding.
Yep. So 34.
Mm-hmm.
Good. 34 plus 7. So how do we plus the 7?
Plus a 7 is plus the 10 minus the 3.
7 equals plus 10 plus 3. So on the abacus, plus the 10 minus the 3.
You get
What do
40.
we do in mainstream? I think mainstream, they do
4 plus 7 is 1.
11.
Yeah,
Carry
they
the 1,
carry the 1.
and then you get 4.
Yep.
But then if you notice, you need to know what 7 and 4 equals 11.
Mm-hmm.
So that I don't know if that's a math fact that they need to understand or memorize.
They might have to. Yeah, probably.
So you could have Ava memorize it or go with the abacus.
Well, it's all based on the common number of plus 10. And as
Yeah.
long as you know your partners to 10, you know, the 7 and the 3, and knowing that with that equal sign, with that plus 7 equals plus the 10 minus the 3, what you do on one side, you do the opposite. So
Yes.
7's partner, you're going to be subtracting because you have to have a balance.
Right. But in mainstream, they want you to know 7 plus 4. Then they want
Yes.
you to do 7 plus 3. And then they keep going. 7 plus 2. And then 7 plus 1.
Yes.
So they call this fact family of
Yes,
sevens.
math facts. Yep.
And then there's more. Doesn't it go up to 9? So 7 plus 5. And then 7 plus 6. And then 7, 7 plus 8. And then 7 plus 9. Got it.
Yep. Yep.
So I would rather just memorize the abacus.
Yes. I would too.
The abacus is a lot easier.
It's it is simpler. Okay. Sadly, 34 coins. Hold on. Let's see if I Okay, sadly, 34 coins are for Bill. How many coins will be left for Mickey? I don't know if this was the full question.
Oh, that was another, that was connected to the one that was 41.
Oh, that's right. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So then, what do we, 41, take away
Yep, 41.
34.
Mm-hmm.
So on the abacus, we have 41. Take away 3, take away 4. Can't take away 4. Cannot take away. Cannot take away the 5. What do we do?
Oh, okay. So -4 is minus the 10 plus the 6.
Right. Minus the 10 plus the 6. So on the abacus, minus the 10 plus the 6.
See, 7.
Uh-huh. So then, the next number, or next question, x. We have to find x.
Oh, yes.
This was easy. Because we have to isolate it. We've done this in abacus,
Yep.
right? So
So,
all we gotta do, what are we gonna do?
minus the 49.
So we take away 49. Well, on the abacus, we have 53. Take away 4. How do we take away 4?
Minus the 4 is minus the 5 plus the 1.
Yes. And then minus the 9.
Okay, minus the 9 is minus the 10 plus the 1.
So my final answer is 4.
Oh dear. That's not what I got.
What's up? What'd you get?
Oh, okay. I'm not used to it being is this vertical? No, this is horizontal way. Okay. I got 2. I don't know where I messed up. Okay. So you got 53.
You have to add.
Oh, great.
Is that where I messed up? Is I didn't add?
You added the 1 You subtracted the 1 instead of adding it.
Oh, okay.
So do 53 minus 4 minus the 5 plus the 1. And then minus 9. Minus 9 is what? Minus the 10 plus
The one.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I subtracted again in the ones place.
Yep.
Okay, so the answer should be 4.
correct.
Okay.
Okay. And that was it. Then the next was a bunch of example problems.
Okay. Yeah. So what, maybe when you get a chance, next time. Yeah, I sent there was a bunch of bedtime math problems that I had sent to too. And that might have been in a different email.
Oh, you see, sorry, it's right here. Here it is. I did see it. I didn't have it in the right page. So
Oh,
here it
okay.
is.
Those were a little bit more challenging than these ones. These were actually
Yes.
very easy. But the bedtime ones, they were okay. They were a little bit more challenging.
Because it's a concept that's a little bit more than just straight adding and subtracting.
Yes.
So if you're calmly riding your bike at 14 miles per hour, but your horse starts pulling you twice as fast, how fast are you going? So twice, we need to know what that word means.
So are you adding or are you multiplying there? Wouldn't you be adding 14 plus 14?
You can, or you could do what's another way? Twice would be 14 times 2. Sorry,
Can we do both of those on the
14
abacus?
times 2.
Yeah, you could do both on the abacus, yeah.
Yeah. So 14 on the abacus, we're going to add 1, 4.
Mm-hmm.
Add the 1, and then add the 4. How do we do it?
Plus the 4 is that is that the 5 or is that the 10?
Well, can we add the 5?
Oh, yeah. So plus the 4 is plus the 5 minus 1.
Correct. So our answer is 28.
28.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So on the abacus to multiply, we have to track how many digits are we going to use? How many digits do we have?
3.
3. So I count 1, 2, 3. I'm over here.
Okay.
Then we times it out. 2 times 1 is equal to
2.
Yes.
So you go back 1, and
Yes.
that's where you put the 2.
Yes, because 2 will have a leading 0, 0, 2. So you go back, add the 2.
Okay.
What's my next one?
2 times 4 is 8.
Same
Then
thing.
you add the 8 in the
It
ones place.
equals to 0, 8. So 0 and then 8.
Oh, so I have to go back. So I need to treat that the same way. So you go back from the 10s and you go back to the 1s from there, and then you put the 8.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot that. I just kind of went to the 1s and put the 8. But is it is that to help keep track?
Yes.
Okay. Do you verbalize that all the time each time, or you just automatically go over one?
I usually say go back one.
Go back one. Okay. Okay. Because when the problem gets bigger, that can be harder to remember, correct?
You know, if you're doing one number at a time,
Okay. So no. Okay.
use your finger to track where your number is.
Oh, okay. And that's why I'm verbalizing it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I like that one. I like where you could do either or. Okay.
Yeah. And it's good to be able to do both because then you really understand the question,
Uh-huh.
right?
Okay. Yep. Yep.
So we have a banana tree, can grow 20 feet in 1 year. If you grow even half amount in a year,
Oh, yeah, the honey.
how tall would you be a year from now? Pretend the tree grows 20 feet in just 1 year.
And half of 20 is 10. So you're still adding, correct?
You're still adding.
But I think I'm missing something.
I think I'm missing something too. That doesn't make sense. Did you hear that? Okay, hold on. A banana tree can grow 20 feet in height in just 1 year. If you could grow even half that amount in a year, how tall would you be in a year from now?
Half of that would be 10.
Yes.
A year from now,
Yes.
30 feet.
I guess I'm confused.
20 in 1 year, half in another year.
Yeah, I guess so. But it's confusing because it says in just 1 year you grew 20 feet. I guess it's not all the time thing.
When you're using the term half,
20 feet.
your brain automatically thinks you're dividing.
Right.
So
But
you
here
have to
it
use the
says-
context.
But here it says in a year, and then it says 1 year. So that's where I'm confused. Because it's supposed to be 1 year at a time. It should be 40 years, 40 feet. You know what I mean? But it sounds like it's going to be only half.
Yeah, they're asking for half. So if you only grew half of that, how much would you have grown? And that would be 30.
So I think what I'm confused is I thought it was a regular thing to have 20 feet every year.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find the problem in the book. Because I'm kind of lost.
The question's correct.
The question, okay, but how we're interpreting, how are we
Yes.
supposed to interpret it? Okay.
So for me, I was thinking that every year is going to be 20 feet. But the question is, not every year will always be 20 feet. Some years going to be half, some years going to be double.
Oh,
This time it's half in 1 year. So
oh,
the banana tree didn't get a lot of water.
oh.
That's what that means.
Okay. So then what type of operation are we doing with this problem? Are we subtracting then or adding?
We're subtracting, or no, we
We're adding, right?
need to know what half is first. So it's a two-step.
Oh.
You
Okay.
need to know what half is first. So what is half
Okay.
of 20? It's 10.
10 feet.
Okay, so that in order doing it that way, then you're talking about a division.
Yes. You're right. You're
And
right.
then you add it.
20 divided by 2 equals 10 feet. Yes. And then you take the 10 feet and you add it to the 20 feet.
You add it to the 20.
Yep.
Oh,
Because because you already have 20 feet, and then we need to know what is above the 20 feet. So it's division first, and then addition.
yes, it is. Because it says height plus 20 divided by 2. Ha. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna do a division problem right now on the abacus?
You can, but it's not big enough.
It's not necessary, actually.
Yeah.
Because you know that that's gonna be 10.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to just know that, and then you go 10 plus 30.
Well, here, if you want to do it by division on the abacus, well, you have to know it's 20 divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to know what times 2 is equal to 2 or less.
Oh, it's multiplication, so it's 10.
Yes, so it's 10. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
so the,
It's
yes,
2.
I guess you don't really have to do that.
Yeah, add the 1, and then you have the 0.
Okay,
So that's
Okay.
what I would do in division.
I see.
It is the reverse.
Yes.
It'd still be
Okay.
good. You know what? You're absolutely right. It'd still be good to practice division on the abacus. And this is the abacus method.
Okay.
So that's how I would do it.
And so then on the abacus, then you would just put 20 plus 10, and that's,
Yeah, so I would have 20. What's my starting point? 22. I'm sorry. Starting point is 1. How do I know? Because I have 2 dividends and 1 divisor. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So I'm over here. My dividend will be next to my quotient. So 2 and a 0. So then, can I multiply 2 and 2? Yes. Then I'm
yes.
going to skip 1 column and I go here. See that?
Yeah.
Division on abacus is one of the things you need to see it to
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
So then my quotient is 1 and I take away 2. So that leaves me with 10. That was a little bit.
Okay, I really like that one. It was very simple. I was able to finally get it was the quote nut or the dividend on the end, right? Is that
Yep.
where? Okay,
Quotient,
quotient.
dividend.
Okay, so I was able to see the dividend.
Yes.
Okay. And then you subtract. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, that was good. So then after that, then you go. So would you just leave the 10 up there, or would you just go 10 plus
Hello.
20?
Okay.
Because now you have
I'm
to
sorry.
add it.
Yes. To add it. So you could just have another new question.
Okay, so then you have the 10, and you have to add 20. So for that year, a year from now, it will be 30 feet.
Correct.
I liked how you did this problem. Thank you. It took a minute to figure out what they were asking. And
I
that
appreciate the questions.
yeah, and then that you actually had to do a division. Okay.
Yeah. And I like it because it's, even though it's simple, but you see the concept.
Yeah.
The problem is people complain, this is too easy. Why are we doing it? But it's like, if you don't understand the concept, bring it down to its simplest part so it's easy for you to see and not get cluttered with everything else.
So the word half is what indicated that you were dividing then? That you were
Correct.
doing, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
That's how I see it. And that,
Ah,
Tammy,
Yeah.
that's how you saw it?
Yeah, that's what signaled me to tell me that it was you were going to have to divide.
Yeah.
so would someone get confused and think that they're subtracting? Because that's what I thought first.
How would you subtract if you don't know what half is?
Oh, I guess I assumed it was half of 20 feet.
And that's
Okay.
exactly it. But when you're looking at a small child and you're half of 20, they're like, half of what? Because you didn't give them any information.
I see. I
You,
see.
the question could be 36. If the tree grew 36, what is half? So now we're talking
Oh.
about fractions,
Oh. Okay.
which is
Okay.
which is outside of what the concept of the abacus method. This is now just understanding the terminology of math.
Yes. Well, that's partly why I picked these problems, is being able to understand the terminology of the math and then apply it to Abacus.
Okay.
So, yeah, I liked how you did that. Okay.
Yeah, I like the questions, especially when you were asking me about how to divide it on the abacus. We should absolutely show you how to do it on the abacus, because that's the
Mhm.
point.
Well, I'm still at a single digit. On dividing. Whew. I can divide anything as long as it's only by one digit. That 2 digit just blows my mind right now.
It takes a little bit.
Yes, and
Um,
I will get it because that's just who I am. But right now, I like the 1 digit dividing.
so the next question, if you sneak 3 banana plants into the town playground and the plant triples in number each year, how many plants will the playground have in 2 years from now?
This is a multiplication problem.
It is, and I believe it's like a quotient. Because what? First year is 3 bananas, right? It triples. What does that mean?
3 times.
In 1 year, right?
Yeah.
Is that right? Triples is 3 times 3 times 3. That's what triple means,
Oh, not 3. Okay. Okay.
right? Because double is 3 times 3.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. So triple is 3 times 3 times 3. Double, is it 3 plus? Oh, I'm doing exponents. Sorry. Okay, so thank you. My TA is right here. 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is triple. Double is 3 plus 3.
So when I multiplied 3 by 3, it gave me the same answer.
Right. Okay.
You know, when you had the 3 times 3 times 3, I think you were right.
No, because that would be it's 27.
That's the answer.
Oh, it is?
Yup.
It's a triple times.
Yeah.
So my TA was wrong.
But what's the number that you're
3.
So
No, it's not 9.
if it
trying?
triples,
Three times three.
if
Triple
it
is
triples
9.
in 1 year,
Yeah.
then you've got 9 plants. And then the next year you've got 27.
Triple.
Yep. Because that's the, yeah, from
No,
2 years.
triple is not times 3.
The amount.
Triple the amount is 3 times 3 times 3.
Yes.
Okay, good. So I was right. Okay. So 3
So,
times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to triple. And then 3 times is double. Okay. This is 24.
No,
How many
27.
plants? Oh, sorry, 27. How many plants in 2 years from now? So this is only 1 year. Guess what? We have to do. What do we have to do? Triples in every year. What did
See,
it
what-
be?
See, what I'm thinking is you're going to be
27,
27 the first year and then
27 again, and then 27.
that's what I was afraid of.
That's what I'm thinking.
So basically 27 times. Yeah,
Or
I could do it, but it's going to take me a minute.
what?
that doesn't make sense.
That
I don't
doesn't.
like this word.
So which word are we not liking? When it says that plant triples in a number each year.
Yes,
So if you have 3 banana plants,
that's triples. Okay, so you have 9. No, 27. So then that's first year. Second year, you got to do 27 times 27 times 27.
27.
huh?
I'm not sure what
What is
grade
the-
is this for.
Well, they just have 27 plants.
It's in the first year.
Let's see, how many plants will the playground have 2 years from now? So you're saying they didn't answer the question correctly either?
No,
Or maybe they're not asking the question correctly. Because here, maybe they should say, you sneak 3 banana plants on the playground for the first year. The next year, it triples.
Then that's what we need to worry about is what happens that next year, which would be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27.
Yes. But see, it says, how many plants will the playground grow in 2 years from now?
Oh, so they did not write the question correctly?
I
no,
don't, yeah,
Oh,
not at all.
that doesn't make sense to me. Because we did the first year, 3 times 3 times 3. And then the second year, It's 27 times 27 times 27.
And I agree with that.
Wow.
Thank you. I appreciate the confirmation
Yeah.
because you question yourself because somebody else wrote it and printed it.
Oh, okay.
So
Well,
I don't know. We could do it, but
well, for the abacus, knowing how to 3 times 3 times 3, yes.
Abacus. Well, 3. We would have to break it up.
This, you'd have to know your facts.
Yeah,
Your
you have to know your
multiplication
facts.
facts. Because you can do 9 times 3.
Yeah,
But how would you?
it would be 3 plus 3 plus 3, and then do it again. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. You know what I mean?
Oh,
It would be cumulative addition.
do you actually do that?
I'm showing you
Oh, wow.
to show different ways of multiplying.
Oh, it's so much easier just to multiply 9 times 3.
Right.
Yeah.
If you don't know your multiplication fact, then you need to show the long way. So
How do you
3
keep track?
plus 3, I'm sorry, plus 3, that's 3 times 3.
3. Okay, yeah. So you go 3 plus 3 is plus the 5 minus the 2.
Yep.
And then plus 3. So then you have 9.
Yep. And then you got to do it 6 more times. So
Oh, I don't
plus
know.
3 is plus the 10
And
minus 7. And then plus 3. That's, 3 times 5. Plus 3, 3 times 6. Plus 3, 3 times 7. Plus 3, 3 times 8. And then plus 3. 3 times 9.
I don't know if I like that.
And just so you know, there's no way that playground can handle that many banana trees.
But it makes the children see the number and then says, this is way too much. I need to start memorizing my multiplication facts.
Ah, I see.
I had my kids do it.
Oh,
Instead
you,
of
oh, you
looking
had
at
them
the
do it?
instead of looking at the multiplication table, I had them work it out on the abacus. Every time they didn't know it. And as they see it, they will start to memorize.
Oh, wow. So you would have them do, so you would start out with 3 times 1
Yep.
and then 3 times 2?
Yep.
On the abacus? So the 3 times 1 is like 3 plus 0. Is that what you were doing or
Yep.
what?
3 times 1 is 3. And then
Okay.
here, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3
Oh,
times 4 is 12. But they also have to know their formulas really well.
yeah, you did that with this. You did that a couple of and you showed it.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. So what's the one side doing? On the far left, what is that keeping track?
Yes. This tracks what number you're on. So we're at 3 times 4.
Oh,
3
3
times
times
5.
4. Oh.
Right? 3 times
Right.
5 looks like that.
Oh, I get that. Okay. So you kept track. I like that.
Oh, good.
Okay. Can you do it? So do that one more time. Do that again.
Okay. 3 times 1 is 3.
Okay.
3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4, I need to add 3. Plus the 10 minus the 7.
Ah, because now you've gone beyond 9.
Yes.
And so after that, then you're going to, now what formula are you going to be using now? All the time with that, after that?
Same thing. Plus the 3. How do I add 3 here? I'm just counting here. This is 5. 3 times 5. How do I add 3 here?
Oh, it's plus the 3 is plus the 5 minus 2.
Yep.
And so
This is
that's
only
the
my
formula
counter.
you're going to be doing when you're doing the threes times.
Yes. 3 times 6 is what? 1, 2, 3. Add the 3. 3 times 7, 5, 6, 7. What do I do? Plus the 10 minus the 7. 21. 3 times 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 3 times
Oh.
8 is what? Add 4. Add 3. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 24. 3 times 9. What do I do? Add 3 plus the 5 minus the 2.
Oh, great. I like that.
See, it's different than memorizing the multiplication table. You see it, you understand.
Oh, I like that. Okay. That was cool.
Oh, good.
So yes. So would you be putting that in your multiplication and having them do that? Or is that
Yes.
just, oh, you would?
Yes.
Okay.
So I have a whole thing that I'm going to do. I don't know if you can see it. Here it is. So it's going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? Then they're going to have to do boxes. They have to do, I don't know, 3 times 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2, 1, 2, 3. But then the other way is I'm going to put triangles. And they have to do. So if I did this way, so 3, and then divide it into 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the other one was a skip counting. 1,
Mhm.
2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10. So 3. So 1, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So there's going to be a few ways
Oh, wow.
because I wanted the kids to see the different ways that's going through it. There's one more. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3. This is what they show in mainstream math.
Yeah.
I'm adding the abacus portion, which is right here. They need to write the formula.
Plus 3 is plus the 5 minus 2.
So that's how it'd be abacus way. But then there's the other methods to show the different multiplying.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that was a good banana problem. Look what it got us. I like that.
He went back on three.
Yeah. Triple means times.
Triple means times. Okay. I see. And you're tripling the 3
Fair.
Yes. Tripling the 3 for the first time,
for the first time. Okay.
right?
Well, that's awesome. We were able to find their error in the problem. So
Yeah.
you're very good at understanding the math problems. I would have never, okay. I knew you were multiplying, but to catch their error, that's good.
Well, we all need help, right, Tammy?
Oh yeah.
Tammy's been kind enough to let me know where my typos are, and I appreciate them.
I was gonna say, I'm just trying to make sure you're successful.
Thank you so much. I do appreciate it.
Hey, I got to have a reason why I bought this abacus a year before I found you. So, which I really did, Alyssa.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, so the next question is 2,300 pound rhinoceros is charging towards you. Oh my God. And you block him with a wall of sand that weighs the same. Okay, 23 plus 23. All right. How many 100-pound buckets do you need? Okay. So, okay, this is pounds. These buckets. What are we doing?
Aren't you dividing?
We are.
Yep.
Because you're doing what do you call it? Not distributive. Is it distributive? Dividing groups. That's what it is. I think they call it dividing groups. Right. So you need 100 of them. Or you need to figure out how many 100 pounds if you have 23. So
Oh, you need 23 100 pounds.
yeah.
Oh.
But if we're gonna do an abacus, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right here. Right? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 2, 3. 1 times what is equal to 2? Because you can do it, you skip this column, you go here. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And then do it again. 1 times what is equal to 3? Skip here. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So my final answer is 23.
Okay, you'll have to do that one more time.
We find our starting place.
Mm-hmm.
4 minus 3 equals 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So this is where we're going to put our quotient. We put our dividends. Dividend goes here and here. Then we figure it out.
Are you showing your abacus, Lynette?
Yep, in my face.
Oh, okay.
Do you see it?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
So I guess I got lost as to where the numbers are supposed to be placed. Oh, there we go. Okay. So you go.
So we look, there's 4 dividends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 take away 3 is equal to 1.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to be over here because there's not enough room over here. So this will be my ones place.
Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be your ones place. Okay.
I'm going to put my dividend on my abacus. 2, 3. Oh my God, I need a triple. Well, please. I need to plug in. So then the question is what?
How many 100 buckets?
No. what times one is equal to 2 or less? That's the question.
I see. You're taking the one from the hundreds and you're saying what times that goes into 2. That's what you're doing?
Yes. So we're doing
Okay.
division.
And you're doing, okay. Okay, now I think I'm following you. Okay. So only,
I had it on the wrong view.
Oh.
Sorry. Go ahead, Alicia. I mean, Alyssa.
Hold on.
oh, now I get it.
Okay, good. Back. Oh. There we go. There we go. All right. We're back to here.
Mm-hmm.
So where are we at? Oh,
So now I get it. So you're starting at, with the 100 there, you're starting at the 1.
yes.
And so you're saying 1 times what equals the 2 right there.
Or less. Yes.
2 or less. Okay. Okay. And then yes, that would only be 2. So then
But before you do that, because we can multiply it out, you need to skip a column. You need to skip this column and go here.
okay.
Skip this column because you can multiply it.
Okay.
That's just a rule.
Okay.
Add the 2, take away the 2. Start over. Because 0 times 0 is 0.
Yeah.
So then we're here. What times 3? I'm sorry, what times 1 is equal to 3 or less?
3.
We can do it. Skip again. Skip this one. Go here.
Oh, then you add the 3.
And you add, yep. That's my quotient. 23. Take
And
away
then
the
you
3.
subtract the 3 on the dividend.
Yes. The dividend is only used as a placeholder. This is
Oh.
where you do your subtraction.
Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. I had an aha moment. Okay. Thanks for the zeros. Makes it a little bit easier there.
Yeah.
Oh, I love how you did that. So, okay. I love how I actually like that problem. Okay. Wow.
It's good to do it on the abacus because the numbers are easy. So that you can see the concept.
So because you're multiplying by 0, you have to skip. Why do I have to skip?
No. It's because you can multiply it. 1 times something equals to 2. If you could do that, then you skip.
Oh, okay. I see.
It's not because of the zeros.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, okay. I'll have to put that in my notes. That was a good problem. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes.
I got to do, I'm doing multiplication and division anyway, right?
Yeah.
Just by that problem. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay.
So
Put a strong wheel.
So what's this?
It's a whiteboard. It's the new one. It's
Oh, okay.
if the tree. Oh my God. If the tree's 20 branches could each be cut and sanded into 4 boards, how many boards would George have scored to build a?
So where does it indicate that it's multiplying?
Into 4 boards.
I would have never got that. Okay.
That's what I see. Tammy, what do you think?
You did this for
Yeah, I'm thinking into 4 boards, but here's the problem.
back.
The way it's written says if a tree's 20 branches could be cut, could each be cut and sanded into 4 boards. So
Oh, yeah,
in my little pea brain, it does not make any sense because I mean, does each branch cut into 4 boards, or does 20 branches cut into 4 boards?
yeah. Because it says each can be cut and sanded into 4 boards. So I think you're right. It's timesing.
Exactly. So I got 80.
Yeah, you're right.
So what part indicated that it was the multiplication? Because you're doing what?
Because of this, it says each can be cut into 4 boards.
Each branch of the 20.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So it would still be 2 times. 20 times 4.
Yeah.
So on the abacus, 1, 2, 3. One, two,
So you go over to the hundreds place, but because you're doing 4 times 2, that's 8, and you have to, because of the place value, you put a 0 in front of the 8. So
yeah,
then you're in the tens place, right? And so you put your 8 in the tens place.
yeah, yeah. I'm trying
Yeah.
to show you. Oh, there it is. There it is. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I do. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is a single digit. 0, 8. 0, 8. 8. 0. So my answer is 80. We don't need to say 4 times 20 in abacus because the abacus subtracts it for you.
That's 80 boards.
Yes, 80 boards. Because it's 8 and the 0. How are we doing? Do you guys have time?
You let know about?
Yeah, I have some time still.
Okay, okay.
Just hanging out.
All right, so we can do 80 canoes. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's sticky. Yeah. Oh. If you had toothpicks, ice cube tray filled with mango papaya punch, you make mini popsicles. If you make 43 and give them away in sets of 10, how many extras are left for you? So we would do division.
Is it the sets of 10?
Yes. Tammy, what do you think?
Well, if you do it, you're going to give away 4 sets of 10 and you're going to have 3 left.
Yeah, but it's the sets of 10 that
4.
makes us think.
Well, it says how many extras are left for you.
Right. So what do you have to do first? We
You
have
have
to
to divide
divide it.
them first.
Yeah.
And then add the remainder, right? First. No,
Yeah.
you wouldn't be adding.
No,
You-
the remainder would be ours.
Yeah, the remainder. Okay.
Yeah, the that's where I was saying I would have 3 left for me. But so so we had to find what's times 1 is 4 or less.
Yeah.
So that would have to be a 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So 10, 43. Our spot is going to be here. 1, 0.
correct.
Because
1
it's 2, take away 2 is equal to 0. 1 times what is equal to 4 or less. We have to skip because we can do it. That's where 4 is. And then we're left with 3.
Yep. Zeros make it so much easier. 43. So we got 10, take the 40 away, and you still got 3.
Yep.
I'm doing it on my abacus.
Where's the remainder of 3 on the abacus?
Oh, it'd be here. Like that.
Oh, okay. So you skipped one, okay, because the 4 is representing
The quotient.
the quotient, okay, which is 40. And then you skipped one and the 3 is,
It's your remainder.
Because it was asking how many would you have left. So you figured out you gave away 40 in sets of 10, and you had 3 left.
I guess I'm
So
trying to figure out where you put the remainder when you're doing the problem. I got lost as to, can you do the problem again?
Yeah.
Showing where things go.
Right here. It's my zero.
Now, how do you know right there?
2, take away 2, 2 digits, take away 2 digits, equals 0.
Okay,
So my 0 is here. This is 1. This is 0. But 4,
okay, 4, and then the 3. Okay,
and then because we can divide or times it 4 times 1, right? You could do it. You
Mm.
skip. You're here. So 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Take away 4.
ah,
Don't forget, after the ones is a decimal. We don't want decimals. That's how we get a remainder.
oh, okay, now I got it the second time you did it.
Yep.
Okay, because I keep on forgetting that you have to, you're showing the subtracting
Yes,
in the dividend part. Okay,
yes.
all right.
Okay. So you know it's more than a few steps. So you know there's 4. 10 times 4 is equal to 40, right?
Yes.
You need to minus 40 from the 43. Because you gave this away, what is left for us?
Oh, yes, then you, okay. I see. So that was the second part. Yep,
There are actually 3 parts: division, multiply, and subtract.
okay.
Because you need to know how much you give away. We only divided it by 4 to know how much we give to each person.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to do the total. The total is 40.
Yep.
But it's a
Wow.
little bit more.
Wow. So we did multiplying, dividing, and subtracting all in that one problem on the abacus.
Yepers.
Oh. In the question, that's what it is.
Yeah.
You have to pay attention to the question. So how did I get it? It says you make 43 and you give away sets of 10. I don't know how much that is. You know, so you have to figure out how many times you gave it away, which is 4 times. And then whatever's left over is yours.
I like these problems. You're helping me.
Good. They're really good questions. Oh, and that was it.
Oh, that was the last one?
No, we had Fort is 95.
Oh, there's one more. Okay.
This is the beast.
Oh, okay.
So we have 95. Fort is 95. His brother is 88. How many years older is Fort than Bert? That's easy.
That's a subtraction.
Yep. Five. take away 8. Take away 8.
So
How do I take away 8?
are we doing on the left or the right?
Left.
Left, okay. Yeah, so you just subtract the 8, the 5 and
Yep.
the 3.
Minus 10 plus 2. Cannot take away 2. We do. Or, no, we add 2. Sorry. Take away the 10 plus the 2. So our final answer is 7. So, Fort is 7 years old.
So did you start that on the right side or the left side?
I started from the left. 95. Take away 8.
Oh, okay, then I still have 5. Oh, then I have to take away 8 from 5, okay.
Yep.
Oh, then, yeah, then we minus the 10
That's the 2.
plus the 2. So you get 8.
7. 7.
Oh, 7, yes, 7, yep.
You could do
I
it the
got
other way.
7.
Do 95. Take away 8 first. Minus the 10 plus the 2. And then take away 8. So you can do it both ways. You should then track it.
Mm-hmm. So you started on the right this time, right?
Correct.
Okay, I'm gonna put my 95 then. So you have 90 and then 5, and then subtract 8 is minus the 10 plus the 2. And then you have 9 minus 8. No, well, no, you have 8.
8.
So,
Take
so
away
then
8.
you just take away the 8.
Yep.
Because you already subtracted 1. Okay.
Yep.
So then the answer is 7.
Step.
Okay. And the formula is still the same because it's 88.
Right.
The
Well,
88.
The formula is still the same because it's still 8.
Yeah, it's 8 in the ones place. It's 8 in the tens.
No,
in the tens.
There's no formula using this 8 in the tens.
Oh yeah, you're right,
There's
because
enough.
you could subtract it from the 9 anyway.
Yep.
Okay. That makes sense.
Then we have our last.
Yeah, just one more. I think she froze.
I think she did
Right
too.
here? Oh,
Yep, we can hear you now.
okay. Oh, that's probably what it was. Traveling. Oh, there it is.
So we did that one.
Stella has 23 games. She eats 7. She eats 7. It's minus. She gives away 3. It's another minus. How many grapes does she have left?
So,
So-
yeah, now, yeah, so then how would you solve this problem? What they did in this problem is they subtracted the 3 first because it's easier to subtract from 20. That's what they did.
Yeah.
That's from the Beast Academy. That's how they did that one.
Yeah.
But what you're going to show is how to just do this on the abacus, so it doesn't. They're just saying it's easier to subtract from a the tens.
Yep.
So
It's easy, but we don't need to rearrange it on the abacus. So we have 23.
Right.
We take away 7, and we just go down the line. Take away 7 is what? Minus 7. Minus the 10.
minus the 10 plus the 3. So then you have to do plus the 3 is plus the 5 minus 2.
And then
And then you
take away 3.
you take away 3
Do it again. Minus the
minus
5.
the 5 plus the 2. And that gives you 13.
So we would just do a running total
That's what you call that problem. Okay.
because sometimes we can't see the whole question. So you just go
Mhm.
increment it and you do a running total.
I see.
Oh, that was the other thing. Remember we were talking about how the numbers are horizontal?
Yep.
It's easy on the abacus. You just have to try. So it's horizontal. Oh, sorry.
So 616 plus 175.
So on the abacus, 6, 1, 6. Use your abacus to line it up. 1, 7, 5. Plus the 10 minus the 5. So it doesn't even matter it lines up or not.
Okay, so because you have to add the 5.
Yep.
Plus the 10 minus the 5.
Yep.
So you get 791.
Yep.
Oh, I got it right.
Yeah, but see what I was trying to show you is that even if it's vertical, you can still do it on the abacus because you don't have to line it up. It like mainstream math, like ones, tens.
Because you're each doing each individual number.
Exactly. And the abacus
Exactly.
tracks it for you.
I'm so used to it being underneath.
Yeah.
I really am because you still have to keep track. You gotta know that 6 plus 1, 1 plus 7, and 6 plus 5.
Yeah, but if you put on your abacus, 6, 1, 6. That's what we did, right?
Yep.
Then you just do this. 1, 7, then 5. Plus the 10 minus the 5. So it doesn't matter if it's vertical.
Oh, I
horizontal.
like you move the abacus over
Yeah.
to the next. Oh, because you already put in your digits for the first one, the 616, and then you move it over. But what about if you're doing a subtraction problem?
Same thing. Same thing. 6, 1, 6. Now here, I need to take away 1, take away 7, minus the 10, plus the 3. Plus the 3, minus the 10, minus the 5, plus the 4. And then minus the 5. It doesn't matter if it's
I've never seen you do it that way before. Okay, I didn't. Okay, it's just moving it over. I like that. Okay.
yeah,
All right.
because I remember we talked about it, and we're like, it's harder to see. But if you use the abacus as the tool it is, then just move it.
And just move it over.
Yeah.
You plugged in your numbers, and then whatever operation you have, well, at least for this one. Well, and you have your multiplication problems in this
format.
format too.
Yeah,
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
funny, right?
Yeah. Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh my goodness. Okay.
So funny. Simplest thing. The abacus. It just shows you the number. That's all it does. But because you can see it, it's beneficial. Uh-oh. They stop. Hello. Tammy, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yep. We're still
Okay.
here.
I'm writing all these down.
Oh, okay.
You know me, practice. I gotta have practice.
Yeah.
I gotta keep my brain going.
I'm happy that I can help.
I
Yeah,
am too.
Yeah.
I just published my introduction abacus for adults.
You
You
did?
did? You did? Oh.
But it's not ready yet. It's still in review. I'll let you know when it gets published
Yes.
or when it gets live.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Cannot wait.
I'm excited for it.
And I've been only doing 2 pages in this last workbook at a time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Trying to behave just a little at a time, Tammy.
Yeah.
So, and I love these problems. Though I do admit I miss having the other things to do,
Yes. The
but
activities.
this is giving me practice, so I'm loving it.
I do plan to make another one, um, maze based.
Okay.
But
Well, you let me know because you know I'm gonna get it. Can't help it. My husband just looks at me and shakes his head. Hey, it keeps me from buying anything else. I have a budget just like anybody else, but I have a certain amount for spending. I
and
get my nails done and then I buy my abacus books, and that's it for the month.
I appreciate that I'm part of your budget.
I'm just glad you're here.
Terry, why did you get
Why did I do what?
that? Uh-oh.
I see the thing moving.
Oh, there we are.
Why did I do what?
I think she froze again.
Yeah. Well, traveling will do it to you.
Yeah. This has been a good session.
It really has. I've enjoyed it.
Why did you get oh, there we are.
Okay. I can
Sorry.
get as far as why did you get, and then I never hear the end of it.
But I'm gonna
No.
this is ridiculous.
Are you trying to ask why did I buy the abacus?
Now we know.
You keep going in and out, Lynette. Must hit a bad spot.
Yeah. Well, I really appreciate what she's done. So, especially the problems, understanding the problems. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Up, she left us.
Oh,
I think she was probably trying to ask why I bought the abacus.
Uh,
And honestly, I bought it because I do puzzles all the time and I'm trying to make my brain work. So to me, an abacus is like learning another language. And I thought I could go on YouTube and learn by the people on there, and I couldn't. They just totally lost me. And then I found Lynette.
oh, she's really, really good teacher.
Yes.
And I really she showed like the an abacus matching the cards. And
Yes.
what I did is she gave me the little format, and then I kind of made it into, I put the word abacus on one side, and then you have the formula on the other side. And
Yeah.
so I'm using that um, as part of it. So, but I found her, oh, I think 3 months ago.
Yeah.
3 or 4 months ago is when I found her. And I really like how she shows how to do the 10 and the 5, because that's really all you need. And just how you relate, that's all you really need.
Well, and that's what she tries to explain to the people that come in, and then the trolls just take off with it, and then she gets on to them.
Oh,
I told one guy he needed to leave. I told him, I said, please go away,
yeah.
because he was finding every reason to try to argue with her, and she wasn't going to argue. And I told him, I said, you need to leave.
Yeah. Well, she's a fabulous teacher. So, and I've really, really, really enjoyed her. And this way you're learning math and the schools, it kind of complicates it more. And so, and I just like to learn things verbally, to be able to verbalize it. And she is very good at verbalizing. She gives you step by step and how to do things. But
Exactly.
then she's also showed you kind of how to add from the right, add from the left, or subtract on the right or the left.
Well,
And then
when I first started doing this, I was always from the right, and then as I did more practice at home, I'm like, no, we got to go from the left. And so when she's in the lives that she gives the free lessons on, and she goes, okay, should we go from the right or to the left? I'll type in there. I said, you know what I'm going to tell you. She goes, yes, to the left. So sometimes we'll just go to the right just because.
I think it depends on the problem too. So
Can, but it's more like as long as you have the concepts down, it doesn't really matter which side you go. But I find it easier to solve the problems from the left.
mhm.
So I'm just like, yep, left.
Growing up, we've always started on the right.
Yeah.
That's how we've learned is starting on the right side.
Oh, yeah. And it's just, I wish they had taught us this. You know, I was in school in the 70s and 80s. I wish they had taught us using abacus because there's so many people that I know would not have a problem
Mhm.
doing the
Yeah.
math if they had learned it by abacus.
Now the division is a doozer for me. I have to remember the division, remember the colon. So that's a little bit of a challenge. And it was cool that we went to a very simple problem, at the
Yeah.
very beginning, and just getting that off of just doing the story problems alone. We got so much practice in so many different areas. We were multiplying, we were subtracting, we were
Yeah.
adding. It was awesome.
Yeah, division, like I said, well, except for the 10. I mean, the 10 is just what it is, but this being divided by a single digit, I can work with that. And I have my 13 column abacus, so that's no big deal. But when you start to get into a double digit, I don't even want to see a triple digit doing the dividing. I'm just not there. I will. I will get there. Lynette, are you okay?
I'm not sure if she's still on or not. Is
Well,
she?
she came back on and then went mute.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, it's good to work with you, and I think, I hope that this will help. So when other people see it,
Yes.
they'll be able to see how the problems work.
I
So,
just my thing was when we got through doing the session last week, and I went back and listened to the video, I did not realize how much I repeated myself. But that's all right. I'm still learning.
well, I think it's good to be able to have a voice on the other side as she's doing the problems, because then everybody hears the that we're responding to the questions,
Yeah.
and that's what I like. But she hasn't been doing a lot of lives as much, so, but yeah,
No, I noticed this week was kind of light,
yeah,
but she's got a life, so and these lessons that she does on lives are free. So I just ain't gonna argue with her. If she's able to get on, great. And if
yeah,
she's not, then I'll wait till the next time she gets on.
yeah, yes, it's been great. I'm gonna order her books. I think I'm gonna order the plus 10 extra.
Yeah, that's the book I'm working on right now, and I'm only letting myself do 2 pages a day
Ah,
because
okay.
I will go through a book. And I mean, I got the 4-digit mazes, and I was through it in 2 days.
Oh, okay. I haven't gotten that one yet. So,
So yeah, and there's really no rush. Just keep a list of her books and then check them off as you get them.
well, you're practicing way more than I am. So,
Well, I'm also disabled. My kids are grown, and there's a lot of days I can't do anything but sit. So I'm going to use my abacus. So I practice as much as I can. And
yeah.
then I picture the abacus in my head when I'm uh, trying to do my knitting and keeping the stitches and the crocheting. And you got to count, you got to do this many stitches. And, it breaks in the patterns, it breaks down what you got to have for that row. So,
You're doing that with the abacus
yes,
while you're crocheting?
yes.
So you're doing mental abacus, Matt?
Well, no, I'm actually using my abacus because I like in this pattern I'm working right now. It wants me to increase. So that means I'm doing two, and then I've got to do so many single crochets, and then at the end it tells you how many you're supposed to have. So every time I'm doing the stitches, I'm adding them, taking them down, or whatever, and that tells me how many I've got at the end of the row, so I know how many stitches I've got.
Wow.
And
Cool.
I used the little one. I tried using my 13 column one, and yeah, no, I need my colorful little one. So, but I use it to when I'm crocheting and when I'm knitting,
Oh,
so
wow.
that I know exactly how many I've got in the row. Knitting, not so much, because you know what you got because you've hit the starting point again. But with crocheting, yeah, you need to know how many stitches you've actually got on. So
Mhm.
yeah, I use it when I'm crocheting a lot. And then um, anything I got to do have more than one in a in an activity, I'll use my abacus to say, okay, well, I've only done one, so that means I need to do the next one.
Mm.
So I find ways to use it, and that's why in the last video she wanted to know how much I was practicing. Easily 2 hours a day, and then a third if I'm real ambitious of doing stuff.
Mm.
So,
Wow.
but being disabled, you're only able to do just so much.
Right. Right.
And depending on your disability, really depends on how much you get to do. I got too many things wrong with me. So if an abacus is going to help me do my things, I'm going to use it.
Well, you know those formulas really well then.
Yes.
Wow, that's awesome.
The division, like I said, the division that is kicking my butt, and I'm just doing it slowly.
Yep.
So, because like if you're doing 37, I mean 59 divided by 38, you know, it's just like, yeah, because you've got to do the first digit of the divider, and then you got to come out and do the second one. And because uh you don't have enough beads, then you've got to go back and take a bead or two back. So where you thought you were going to be using 5, turns out you're only using 3.
Yeah.
So I'm single number dividers is all I'm up to right now.
I think that's a good practice start.
Yes.
Yeah. That's
Yes.
well, awesome. Yeah.
And so when I'm waiting on her books to come out because I've got every one except for the 2 color ones. I've got every one of them. So, but once I get through all of her books, then I may or may not find math problems and download them print them up, and I can do them on my own.
Oh yes. Yep.
But this 10 plus extra, it's real good. But like I said, it's all problems, and I've gotten used to having the other activities. And it's like, whoa, just problems. Okay. But
Do
I
you
love
like story problems? Do you like story problems?
no, not really. They were the bane of my existence in school.
Okay.
But I do sit and I'll write down the numbers that's in the problem, and then I go back and decide, is it adding, subtracting, what is it?
Mhm.
And that helps because I hated word problems, but I love all the other activities, but I still do the word problems just to make my brain work.
Mhm. Yeah. Well, she understands the problems really well. So I'm really glad that she went through them. So.
Oh yeah, and I don't mind going through them too because if nothing else, she's reading it from one point and you're trying to solve it, and I'm over here in the background. And so and I don't say anything until you need help. And then if Lynette can't help you, then I go, well, it's this because of that word, that type of thing.
Yep.
Or I will get on and agree with whoever I'm agreeing with.
Oh, cool.
And that triple, the 3 banana trees, that one about blew my mind. I was like, whoa,
Yeah, that was a good one, huh?
yes. So, but she knows I'm in the background because on the lives I'll say hi, but I have a tendency to want to answer everything and then nobody else does. So I just kind of sit in the background till it looks like they're having trouble, and then I'll put in like the 10 minus 5 rule.
Mm-hmm.
And then it kicks off and everybody gets
Start
the answers.
talking.
But I stay in the background because, like she puts it, I'm a senior.
Yeah.
A senior that is still trying to figure out the division. Multiplication, I'm getting more familiar, as she puts it. Um, it takes me a minute or two, but I can get it. The division, only single digits.
Only single digits.
Dividing
Yep. I like it.
for the moment, and then I'll start going to double digits. But also she'll get a 2-digit number and she'll multiply it by, say, another 2-digit number, and that'll give her the answer. So she knows it's going to work out
Yes.
without remainders. And
Yes.
I'm like, oh, I didn't even think about that because I'm trying to do them on my own
Mm.
between her lives and in between this now.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm just like, okay. And double digit is not me yet. Not at all.
Yeah.
Well, I think we've lost her.
Yeah. And I've really enjoyed talking to you. I'm probably gonna head on out.
Oh yeah, I'm going to too.
So yeah, I've enjoyed this. And I
Good.
hope
I
it's
did too.
so. Well, cool. I think we just
We just
exit out. I think
yeah,
we're out.
we hit the leave button.
Okay. All right. Hey, thank you so much. Okay. Bye-bye.